This is a brand new 2013 Ford F-150. This truck has an automatic transmission, a 5.0-liter V8, and the added capability of four-wheel drive. All of the following features are included: a double wishbone independent front suspension, a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, automatic locking wheel hubs, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, a full-size spare tire, an anti-lock braking system, side curtain airbags, air conditioning, and an auxiliary power outlet. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.
Bill Collins Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 4220 Bardstown Road in Louisville.